In today's world, it is very hard to imagine a life without internet, as internet has made our day-to-day life easy. But many times we face difficulties due to slower internet speed. So in this video, we will see some tricks to fasten the internet speed. So let's quickly start the video. So here are some tricks you can try to get the faster internet speed. So the trick number one is you can restart your phone and see if it helps you to get the faster internet speed. And at the end of video I will tell you a bonus trick that can help you to improve your web browsing experience. The trick number two is you can try activating and deactivating the airplane mode in your smartphone. That means turning on and off the airplane mode in your smartphone. And afterwards you can turn on mobile data and you can check out that if it helps you to get the faster internet speed. Now the trick number 3 is you can go in settings and from there you can go to network and internet option. Now it should be noted maybe this option has some another name in your device, like it has name SIM card and mobile data or SIM card and mobile networks and etc etc. And if you have find that option, now you have to go in mobile network option and from there in preferred network type you can choose different network and then wait till that network comes and then again choose the same network in which you are and see if it boosts your internet speed. Now sometimes it can happen that if you're using 4G network in very crowded area, then maybe there is too much traffic in the network connection. Now in this type of case, choosing the other network via preferred network type option, like say you choose 3G and if it is getting less traffic, then it can boost your internet speed. Now the fourth trick is check out the apps which are running in the background as they consume phone's battery life and internet data and can also hinder your internet speed whether you are using them or not as they are running in the background of your device. Now if you want to know background data and battery saving tricks in more detail, then you can check out the above link. Now to find out the data draining apps, simply search app data usage or data usage section in setting option and there you can check which app is using how much of your data and you can also check that whether that data is being used in foreground and background. Now look for the apps which you not need anymore and they are using background data very much. And if you have found such apps then you can uninstall them. And if you don't want to uninstall them then you can turn off their background data. But remember after turning off background data you will not receive notifications from those apps when you are not using them. And again if you want detailed explanation about background and foreground data usage and battery saving tricks then please check out the links. So after managing the background data you can see if it helps you to boost your internet speed. Now the fifth trick is don't open too many apps which consumes data in recent screen as this can reduce the internet speed. So try to keep only those apps in recent screen which you are using as this will help in maintaining the battery level of your device and will also help you in reducing data drainage to some level. And yes, it will also help in boosting internet speed. Now it's time for bonus tip about which we were talking at the starting of video. So it is if you are facing slow internet speed at time of web browsing, try using ad blocker as it will block ads from appearing and hence can help you in getting proper internet speed. And one more thing, opening too many tabs in a browser which are refreshing continuously when internet data is turned on can also affect your internet speed. So try to keep only those tabs which are important and closing those which are not necessary. So now these are some tricks which I want to share with you to get stable and fast internet speed. Now it should be noted these tricks may or may not be beneficial to you. If you are facing major issues, try contacting the service provider. And if you find it helpful then subscribe to the channel for more future updates and give it a thumbs up. You are watching Vision Explorer and thanks for watching.